let's go over why you can't add someone on Snapchat. Now, if you're on Snapchat and you want to add a friend on there, but it's not letting you or not working, I'm going to show you steps on why that is and how to get it fixed. So let's hop into Snapchat here, and I'm going to tap on the chat at the bottom left. Now, at the top right, you can see that little person with a plus. I can tap on that, and I can basically add anybody from this quick add, or I can search for any specific person's name here. Say I wanted to add somebody named Ashley, I can hit search, and then just add any of these people. Now, if this is not letting you, there are a few different reasons why. And the nice thing is that there's this Snapchat support article walking us through all those reasons why. It says, if you're having trouble adding a friend on Snapchat, there might be 4 different reasons why. The first one is that this Snapchatter has blocked you. So if you're not able to add a specific person, one specific person, then they might have just gone through the app and blocked you. Unfortunately, if they do block you, there's no way to add them. Of course, this is a safety or security feature in Snapchat to prevent anybody from being able to contact somebody if they really don't want them to. So the other one is that the Snapchatter may have deleted their account. So maybe if you found a link to somebody's profile, you went in there and you tried to go in and add them, but if they deleted their profile, of course you can't add that specific person's account. So for both of these 2 ones, to make sure that it is that specifically and not the 3rd or 4th one, you might want to just go and see if you can add a different person. Say try another random account, try to add them. If it allows you to add them, then either they've blocked you or deleted their account. You can always check on somebody else's Snapchat account, see if you can find their specific profile, add them from a different account, and then you'll get a good idea, a sense of whether it's a deleted account or whether they blocked you. Now, the 3rd and 4th one is you have too many friends or you've added friends too quickly. So these are 2 caveats, basically limitations on Snapchat, and it doesn't show you exactly how many on here, but there are some articles on here. So Snapchat friends limit, it seems like on Twitter right here, it says Snapchat's accounts are limited to 6,000 friends. So if you have 6,000 friends, basically what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to delete any of your old friends to be able to add new friends. Now, if you're reaching the limit, let's just scroll down. In terms of adding friends every single day, you can see here it's like 100 to 130. Right here it says about 100 to 130 friends a day will be able to be added. After that, they'll limit it. You have to wait for the next day to be able to add anyone else. So again, let's go back into this article. It says if you've added friends too quickly, you basically just have to wait until that limit is reset the next day. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.